to our partner, Tinkoff. Now, I'd like to remind you, friends, the music that you are hearing right now, the fantastic music that you are hearing in between the presentations, is generated by AI. The mural artwork that you're seeing around yourself is also generated by AI. We are immersing ourselves in the AI journey from all the different angles in terms of the visuals, and of course, thanks to the presentations of our speakers. And yesterday we went through the Science Day, and today we are talking about business. Now, Vilsakov is with you, and the 8th AI Journey Conference. Currently, companies go to AI technologies to improve the efficiency, and it helps businesses to drive down their footprint, on environmental footprint, increase their accountability and responsibility, and do many other things. The co-founder and the head of the executive board of directors, Vero Al Sadn, PhD, Mr. Koch Chan Tian, From Data to Sustainable Planet, People and Profit, the Power of AI for Business and Society. Please, a round of applause.
So, a very good afternoon to everyone. I think we know that the world has a multitude of interconnected crises. We have a spiraling climate emergency and the collapse of sustainable and natural resources, increased fragility and dysfunctional in the global order, and uneven economic recovery due to the COVID-19, and there's geopolitical instability and conflict. Other threats lurk on the horizon, such as the possibility of further economic pain, profound societal disruption from rapidly evolving artificial intelligence, and another health emergency possibility. At the same time, in Moscow, in an AI journey sponsored by SoftBank, with experts and leaders to explore the emerging trends in technology like AI, blockchain, and Web 2 to Web 3 emerging technologies. We are here when we anticipate will gain significance across economies, industries, businesses, and society in 2014 and beyond. A very good afternoon to everyone. Apa kabar? Saya dari Malaysia. My name is Captain Ko, and let us embark on this journey. We're going to explore the use of data for a more sustainable future for the planet and for sustainable profits for business, all by harnessing on the power of AI. People often say that AI is the new electricity. I think you heard it many times before. But now imagine AI as a general purpose technology, meaning that it's not only useful for one thing, but it's useful for lots of different applications. It's like what electricity was 100 years ago. Electricity changed all the industries, and now it's a turn of AI to change the future. The three key subtopics that I will discuss Shopee, Lazada, and now we hear of the current craze of the social e-commerce called TikTok. Please put up your hands here if you have not heard of TikTok. Well, everybody's heard of it. That's one. Okay. Right. They are using AI for personalization, recommendation, inventory management, and even customer service through chatbot. That's more than innovation. It's about, one, resource efficiency. By optimizing logistics and delivery routes, AI significantly reduces the carbon footprint associated with the transportation of goods. This contributes to a reduction in greenhouse emission, aiding in environmental conservation. It also promotes products like guiding towards eco-friendly, fostering sustainable consumption patterns. Additionally, AI role in analyzing customers' behavior helps companies to adopt their offering to align with sustainable trends. In agriculture tech, AI innovation in agriculture are helping countries like India and China, increasing crop yields and optimizing farming purpose. AI is used for soil analysis, crop health monitoring, and predicting analysis of harvesting. In India, we have AI for crop health and yield prediction. Indian companies like solution, including drones. There is a focus on food security. I think this is a big issue, and the Chinese government actively supports AI in agriculture as part of its strategy and food security. This includes the investment in AI research for crop breeding and management. As for manufacturing and supply chain optimization, our company Verifax uses blockchain technology to provide end-to-end traceability in supply chain. This allows companies to track the journey of a product from its origin to the end consumer, ensuring authenticity and transparency. Such traceability is crucial in industries like pharmaceutical, food, beverages, and consumer goods, where knowing the product history is essential for quality. And we have carried out projects all the way from North America, Europe, into Africa, Middle East, and also into Asia. Sustainability. In the realm of sustainability, the use of data analytics in Verifax Asia solution provides valuable insights into the supply chain operations, helping business to make informed decisions to improve efficiency and reduce costs. We are a technology-driven solution and playing a significant role in transforming supply chain management and making it more transparent and efficient and customer-focused. Here are some of the ongoing projects that we are doing in Southeast Asia. For one, we are focused on the full digitalization of fundamental identity system. In the sphere of digitalization, countries like Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand have pioneered in the full digitalization fundamental identity system, including for immigrants. As you know, Indonesia sends out a lot of immigrants to work in other places, and the immigrants' identity is very important to them. These digital ID are more than mere technology marvels. They are key to unlock access to banking, government benefits, education, and healthcare. Each nation in this endeavor has charted a unique course, tailoring their digital identity system to meet specific needs and challenges. The focus ensures that all residents, including immigrants, benefits from the effective and inclusive service. As far as individual ID for immigrants, a major component of the digital transformation is a company called Privy Indonesia, role in digital identity verification. Their effort in data security and privacy are vital in the safeguarding of sensitive information, while their work in integrating their systems with government and financial infrastructure is revolutionizing how citizens interact with various services. Moreover, the provision of individual ID for immigrants is a testament to the inclusive nature of this initiative. AI is also used for decarbonization and reforestation. Now we turn our attention to the environmental efforts. The Asia-Pacific Carbon Clean Development Mechanism exemplifies the region's dedication to a greener future. This initiative encompasses renewable energy, energy efficiency, reforestation, forest management, waste management, agriculture, livestock, and the industrial process. It's a very comprehensive approach towards decarbonization, signifying a paradigm shift on how we address climate change and environmental degradation. Each country in the vast Asia-Pacific, especially in Asia, contributes uniquely to this endeavor. In China, they focus on sustainable development in the cement industry, reducing greenhouse gas emissions significantly. Indonesia's commitment to reforestation degrades land is a powerful move towards carbon sequestration. The Philippines is pioneering in geothermal development, reducing reliance on fossil fuel. Thailand is revolutionizing waste management in Chiang Mai, while Vietnam's national biogas program is a game changer in reducing emission from traditional biomass burning. Another highlight in Malaysia is our Malaysia Bursa Carbon Exchange. The first Sharia-compliant carbon exchange is an innovative platform that facilitates the trade of voluntary carbon credits, aligning financial mechanism with environmental goals. This initiative is pivotal in Malaysia's journey towards net zero greenhouse gas emission by 2050, blending sustainability with economic growth. Let us now talk about the topic of how to create sustainable AI. Let's explore how we can develop sustainable AI. The importance of enhancing our AI algorithm for energy sufficiency is crucial. Under sustainability, by designing models that requires less computational power, we not only reduce energy consumption, but also minimize carbon footprint. Techniques such as model pruning, quantization, and efficient neural network architects are not just theoretical concepts, they are necessary tools to create lightweight, efficient AI systems. Furthermore, powering our AI data and computational resources with renewable energy like solar, wind, or hydropower is a step that we must take towards a greener AI future. Additionally, the practice of recycling and reusing AI model is a testament to our commitment to sustainability. Instead of continually building new models from scratch, we can repurpose existing ones for new tasks to transfer learning and model adoption. This approach not only conserves our energy, but also provides new ways and innovation to do things. The second part of at the same time, we have to be responsible. Moving on to responsible transparency in AI is a non-negotiable item. In sectors such as healthcare, finance, and law, it is crucial that decision-making process of AI models is clear and understandable to all users. This transparency ensures trust and reliability in the AI system. Moreover, we must establish clear accountability of AI decision. Our organization must have mechanisms to address any negative impact caused by AI systems and ensure compliance to regulatory standards. This accountability is a cornerstone of responsible AI use. Audibility in AI system is another pillar of responsibility. Keeping detailed logs of AI decision-making process and ensure that these decisions can be reviewed and scrutinized is fundamental for maintaining compliance, fairness, and accuracy. And also at the same time, we have to be ethical. Lastly, let us delve into the ethical aspects of AI. Designing AI system free from biases is a challenge that we must raise to meet. We must also carefully curate training data sets, continually monitor model outputs, and regularly update the model to ensure fairness and impartiality. Protecting privacy in AI system is of utmost importance. We must employ robust privacy protection, including data anonymization and secure data storage and processing. It is all our duty to ensure that AI models do not inevitably reveal sensitive information. Now I move into the aspects of how to use AI to build a sustainable business. In the realm of sustainable business development, AI stands as a beacon of transformation and progress. A successful AI startup should excel by specializing in niche markets. By niche market, I mean let us now look at this graph here. On the left side, you have the most common problems with high value, which is customization of ads using AI, recommendation of verse searches. However, this is already solved by the huge players in the market, the likes of Google, the likes of Facebook. All the big players have taken over this marketplace. What are the opportunities in our business or a startup? We must go for the long tail, the aspect of it towards the long tail there, by customizing the existing AI to solve specific problems. Let us delve in the process of idea generation in AI. It starts with a unique problem-solving concept that applies AI in groundbreaking ways. For example, optimizing maritime navigation to conserve fuel is not just an innovative application, it's a step towards sustainable future. We hear of a new app called bearing.ai, like your Waze or like your maps. It's an app that's been used by vessels, seagoing vessels in the sea, where it can save up to 10% of fuel efficiency. So this is one of the systems can revolutionize and analyze soil and weather data and can assist small-scale farmers in maximizing crop yields with minimal resources. When we're transforming in challenges and opportunities, AI is our ally in converting volatility into vision. In the energy sector, AI predicts ability and transform unpredictability of renewable energy into reliable energy strategy. Basically, I'm talking about this success sector of AI startups. Generally, I spoke to you about logistics, I spoke to you about healthcare and agriculture. And in this VUCA time, we can convert volatility into vision and renewable energy outputs into reliable energy supplies and strategy. We can convert uncertainty into clear, actionable insights by analyzing the trends and also be able to predict market movement. As far as converting volatility into vision, we can also provide clarity for complex, ambiguous problems like working on traffic patterns to provide predictable flow of transportation. We can also do consumer behavior and provide personal aids. We can convert uncertainty into clear, actionable insights from analyzing trends and to do predictive market movements. Then after that, we go for validation. We collaborative approach using AI solution that's not only technology sound, but also resonates with the market needs. Then, I think for any startup, it requires, whether you have pre-seed or funding, crucial for the initial growth of the AI startup. And now I move into the collaboration opportunities that's available. Now, here is what is interesting. I'd like to share the incredible news with you that on August 4th of this year, your president, Putin, has signed a law introducing Islamic banking to assess its feasibility. Now, this pilot program will take place in 4 major Muslim majority republics of Tatarstan, Chechen, Dagestan, and Bashkortostan. And if successful, the plan is to introduce the new regulation for the rest of Russia. This announcement will open the possibility for us in ASEAN and the Middle East to further engage with Russian banks, the possibility for further developing and collaborating with our Sharia compliance financial banking service. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you are interested in exploring further in the growing sector, where according to the Senior Vice President of Surf Bank, Olesh Ganev, where he says the Islamic banking sector has an annual growth of 40% and reportedly expected to reach a value of 7.7 trillion by 2022. Further, the development and adoption of Islamic banking in Russian banks will open up potential of further collaboration for Russian banks with Islamic banking facilities to attract foreign investment, especially from Islamic countries, from the Middle East and ASEAN, in support of the development of green projects that reduce or avoid carbon emission, such as renewable energy, energy efficiency, waste management, and forestry. Islamic banking can provide financing for these projects, such as Green Sukuk, Musaraka, Mudaraba, and Istana. These instruments can also be used to issue or purchase carbon credit that are generated by these projects. Islamic banking can promote the concept of Islamic social responsibility, which is based on the principle of justice, equity, and stewardship. ISR encourages Islamic banks and other customers to be accountable for their social and environmental impact of their activities and to contribute to the welfare of society and the prevention of nature. ISR can also be aligned with the objective of carbon trading, which are to mitigate climate change and to support sustainability development. Therefore, Islamic banking and carbon trading marketplace can have a positive and mutual beneficial relationship that can embrace the environment and social performance of both sectors. However, there are still many challenges that needs to be addressed due to the lack of awareness, regulation, standardization, and verification of Islamic banking and carbon trading activities. For me, these are the challenges. For me, my message to this conference is I personally believe that our human intelligence will become limitless through the democratization access to AI. We need to democratize AI, let it spread to all the corners of the world for the health, happiness, and harmony of mankind. So in conclusion, as we harness the transformative power of
presentation, as usual. Can we keep you for a few questions?
Sure.
Thank you. So, the first one is, what kind of business process can AI technology take on and free people of performing them?
Which technology can free them? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it gives me an opportunity to talk about the projects that we are doing now, especially in Indonesia. As you know, Indonesia has a very big population of about 270 million, of which most of them are living in very isolated islands. And it is through using technology, we hope to be very inclusive for them. We like to bring them into the system, into the society, more into society. And what we do with them is that we start to provide them with a digital ID to start with. And through that, we then give them the means through which they can connect with the other society at large. So the plan is to work with the fishermen, to work with the farmers, to work also with the livestock owners to bring their products into the market. And in doing so also to disintermediate the middleman that has been profiting from them. So this project is ongoing, and yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. This way.